Hi, this is John with WTI. And this is not your typical cookies that you would get and you would get a lot of sugar and no benefit. No, no, no. This Lenny's and Jerry's vanilla flavored creams just are just awesome. And I'm gonna tell you why. First of all, it's plant-based, so it means that it's gonna go easy on your digestion like it has done in my experience. It's pretty good. The consistency and the flavor, it's awesome. And it has over 50 grams of protein. Who would have thought that by just having cookies sitting in your desk while you're just working or just wanting a sweet craving is gonna help you to reach your protein goals of the day? This is a great, and this is so convenient for me. The taste, it's really good. It just feels like your everyday cookie that you would get in any moment. And the texture is awesome. The benefit of being low on sugar, high on protein is gonna give you this feeling that you're gonna be full. The first time that I had this, I felt like I had a whole meal. So, if you really want to try this, it's great. So, this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.